For more than 4 decades, one fighter jet has dominated the skies, feared in every war it's flown. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, fast, agile, and deadly. From the Middle East to Europe and across the Pacific, it's proven itself countless times. And yet, despite US approval, the Philippines still doesn't have a single one. Why? What makes this jet so valuable that nations compete just to get a few? The F-16 isn't just another fighter, it's the backbone of more than 25 air forces worldwide. Capable of flying at over Mach 2, armed with precision missiles and advanced radar, it can strike from beyond visual range, before the enemy even knows it's there. For many smaller countries, owning the F-16 means joining the modern air warfare club. But if others can get it, what's holding the Philippines back? In 2022, the United States formally approved a possible sale of F-16 Block 70s to the Philippines. A deal worth over $5.6 billion. On paper, it sounded like a done deal. But months passed, and nothing happened. Behind the scenes, defense analysts pointed to 2 major reasons: the price and the priority. The Philippine Air Force, still upgrading from older FA-50s, might not yet be ready for a full multi-role system that expensive. But is it really about the money, or is Washington waiting for something else? When compared to the Philippine Air Force's FA-50s, the difference is night and day. The FA-50 is a capable light combat jet, fast, agile, and affordable. But the F-16 operates on an entirely different level. It carries more fuel, more weapons, and most importantly, a radar system that can detect, track, and engage threats from more than 100 kilometers away. In a real conflict, that difference could decide who fires first and who doesn't get to fire at all. That's why so many nations, from Taiwan to Romania, are still upgrading their F-16 fleets instead of replacing them. It's not outdated, it's evolving. Some experts believe it's not just a sale, it's a signal. US approval of the F-16 could mean deeper military cooperation, but also stronger alignment in the South China Sea. That's why timing matters. The US might be testing how far the Philippines is willing to go in long-term defense commitments before delivering such a high-value asset. After all, handing over F-16s isn't just about firepower, it's about trust. If the deal ever goes through, the Philippines would enter a new chapter of air defense. Imagine joint drills with US and Japanese fighters, pilots flying side by side using advanced radar links and missile networks. It would mean real interoperability, the kind that could deter any hostile aircraft entering Philippine airspace. But it also means a heavier responsibility: maintenance, logistics, and training, all on par with top-tier NATO standards. For a developing Air Force, that's not just a purchase, it's a transformation. For now, the offer remains open, a promise on paper that could reshape the Air Force for decades. But until that jet finally lands on Philippine soil, one question will continue to fly across every defense forum. Is the F-16 the fighter the Philippines truly needs, or just the one it's been waiting for too long?